Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 113 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick. I have to get going with a lot of work in the garden right now before the warm weather comes in a few days, and then it cools right back down 30 more degrees, goes up to 96 and goes down to 66. So regardless, I'm going to show you right now, before I continue, I already started over there, but I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. And I think I have a few videos like this. I'll link up whatever I can find in this video now of previous ones about grapes. So let me back up. Do you see the cluster of growth here of all these vines? And yes, it is producing already. You can see. They haven't opened yet. So this is not the grape you're looking at. This is the clusters of flowers. A lot many people not know that grapes actually have flowers. Now, they're not pretty, but they do have flowers. So with the cluster here, it's like, oh no, I don't want to remove anything. I want to just put it down on the vine and it's fine enough. I don't want to lose anything. See, my daughter's helping me with the, actually, I think she's just putting soil in the bucket. Oh, dang it. She was helping me with it. That big pile of green stuff in there, she collected all. But anyways, this big cluster of stuff, if you just lean it down and tie it to your post or your trellis or whatever you have, and you're like, oh, I saved it all, I'm gonna get a big harvest. No, you just clustered everything. You see what I'm doing right here to this clump? That's gonna be full of powdery mildew, earwigs especially, and anything else that could just hide in there. And it's gonna be so cramped, there's not gonna be enough sunlight to ripen up your fruit, your grapes, or any fruit for that matter. You need sunlight to ripen. So when I work with look how pretty that is, the leaves. I love looking through the sun, you know, like the glistening golden of the leaf. Anyways, I like to open it up, which actually that's what you're supposed to be doing. Let me show you what I did over here already. You see how nice and open it is? Only selected a few vines and then trellis them. Nice and open. Hi, Tali. Nice and open. You see? You see how everything's folded down, etc. So I'm showing you this so you're not afraid to do it. Because many people are like, I can't, that's taking away stuff from the plant. No, you're actually gonna have a more bountiful harvest by doing it like this. Everybody, happy gardening. Bye.